Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to help you resolve if you're coming across an issue with the registry editor, attempting to modify a specific registry key, and the error message reads that there's an error renaming value. The registry editor cannot rename this key. The specified value name already exists. Type another name and try again. So should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you might find a lot of random information about this issue online. It basically just means that if you go to the directory path of that registry key that you're trying to create, there's already one in there. So all you'd have to do is just delete that key and then create a new one. So pretty straightforward process, or maybe you're making a mistake with your syntax and you just want to double check, make sure it's correct. You may want to consider modifying the registry key that's already in there as opposed to creating a new one. And as always, you want to make a backup of your registry as well before you do anything in the registry. So just a couple of things to put out there, and hopefully that should be about it. And as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.